टीएनडी का सबसे मेन जो फ़ायदा होता है वो ये है कि आपको 7 डेज़ का टाइम मिलता है। तो आप उसमें आप एकदम फोकस्ड पढ़ाई करते हैं एंड आप भटकते नहीं हैं इधर-उधर। आप एकदम फोकस्ड रहते हैं कि आपको 7 डेज़ में वो सब्जेक्ट ख़त्म करना ही है।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, और उसको विद रिवीजन आपको सब करना होता है। तो सबसे प्लस पॉइंट यही है टीएनडी का कि आपको एक टाइम लिमिट मिलता है। उस टाइम लिमिट में आपको बेटर परफॉर्म करना है।
Mostly, dance notes are very helpful because I have some questions are directly from the notes of the dance. I find it very helpful because it's easier to revise each and every topic and it's more concise. So you revise the subject more quickly and you can have time for MCQs. You got time for MCQs rather than going to all the books and read time, which is quite big and not easier to complete.
I joined foundation batch in 2012 and it was for the foundation is the most important thing that is required to prepare for the PG and obviously you can elaborate after that on the each subjects, but foundation is the most important and individual subjects preparation is the key to the success and you have to be complete with the subject, not just partial, and that was the most important, most helpful that I got from DAMS. And yes, subject wise many subjects I can tell that are very helpful, like medicine. It was very wonderful to have, and optha, yes, gynae, radiology. So these subjects, I think that makes a huge difference when you go through these subjects from DAMS.
DAMS was very much useful in it. The best thing about DAMS is their communication strategy and interaction, because the faculty here is 24 hours available, not only in matters of knowledge and testing, but also in other matters like guidance, like how to prepare, like in your bad times also they are always with you. So that I think is a very good impression among the students, and that creates a lot of good energy around you to prepare. I specifically joined 3-year foundation course at DAMS Karol Bagh, and basic advantage I got is that the center Gautam Nagar was very near to my AIMS college, so I could easily attend that in my 6th and 7th semester. In 8th and 9th semester I did second year subjects from DAMS, and in internship I joined TNDs. So in total DAMS was one of the main contributor of my success.
I joined DAMS as a foundation course student during my third year, and the main benefit of DAMS was that it gave me a concise material during that third year, and I used to revise that material before going to the postings, and it helped me form a base very quickly so that I could catch up with the standard textbooks later on. And during the internship I attended selective TNDs, and that also helped me during the AIMS examination.
DAMS organizes special session for NBE style, visuals and one-liners called DVT, DAMS Visual Treat.
DVT sessions? I have attended DVT session of 2015.
How good was that? How were you benefited?
I was marvelous. I can say 70 to 80% of visuals from AIMS exam was from that DVT. I was not able to revise that, but even then I can say it's very good.
No, I actually wanted to become a part of it, but somehow my preparation and my timetable that I had prepared couldn't afford me those 3 days. But I got the matter. I watched the video on YouTube, and it is all the more important from now coming years. Like 52 questions I think in AIMS this year were visual based questions.
Yes.
So it is the examination is going more on the practical aspects, like epidural puncture needle. If you are dropping a year and if you are studying, then I don't think you will ever watch an epidural needle in emergency or anywhere. So that is where the actual purpose of DVT comes in. That makes you afresh of Jamshedi's needle, and all the questions that came, 60 to 70% were covered by DVT. So it is all the more important in the coming year.
Many of the questions were based on visuals, so I think it was the most important thing. I think I would suggest those who are preparing for the all India and AIMS in future should go through this DVT program.
Now, PGME exams are computer based, and DAMS conducted a countrywide CBT computer based test in computer centers in 2015, in which 20,000 students appeared, and it was the only institute which provided the much needed match practice.
A lot of my friends, especially from peripheral colleges, they are not very accustomed with the computer based testing pattern, and this particular testing pattern intimidates many people. Now, as I was saying, it is very important in exams like AIMS PGME to use your brain at the time of examination. When you would be tensed about the pattern of the exam, you would be attempting the actual questions with only 50% of your mind, and that would hurt your rank a lot. That is why I would advise everyone who feels even a little tensed because of the computer based pattern to have a very good practice, and DAMS CBT would be the best thing for that. If you are having such tests multiple times before your actual exam, that fear would be gone, and finally in the main exam you would be able to concentrate less on the pattern of the exam and more on the questions.
काफ़ी स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं
जी,
और मार्किंग पैटर्न जैसा आपका होता है एकदम जो AIPG जो आप जैसे करते हैं वैसी पैटर्न होता है मार्किंग का
जी,
और एम्स के क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत अच्छे थे जो एम्स का CBT हुआ था
जी.
तो ओवरऑल अगर आपकी तैयारी अच्छे से अगर आप ठीक से कर रहे हो तो आपको CBT भी कर लेना चाहिए मेरे से.
I mean, when you prepare for the exam, you go through individual subjects. So in between, you should know where you stand in between a huge number of students who are preparing. So I think you get to know where you stand and how much you need to improve. So for that, it was very helpful.
Our eagerness to help students through our faculty team on DAMS exclusive club on Facebook is widely appreciated by all rankers.
DAMS exclusive club is quite helpful sometimes. Like the teachers put latest updates which are obviously helpful for the exams, and also if you have any queries you can ask the teachers directly on the Facebook, and you get the answers promptly. That's a good way of learning, because you can be in contact with teachers without actually attending the classes in person.
Actually, when I have to see the updates, right, for the I joined foundation course in 2012, so in between 2 years passed on, so I have to be updated. So for these updates, I used to follow this Facebook pages of Sir Amit Sumedh sir, and yeah, this was very helpful.
Yeah, right. The DAMS exclusive club was very helpful to me because I could go onto it, search for my doubts and can get them cleared on the spot. And also I could see what all the new updates were, from which questions were asked. And it was very handy as you can open at any point of the day where you were. So you were not bound by things, by time. It was very helpful. All the faculty were there. They were answering your queries. All the queries would be answered.
Is that excellent? Is excellent. I have scored rank in DNB, in AIMS, in PGI. There's 3 different patterns, and I can say DAMS notes is important for, it's like sufficient for all 3 patterns, and this is very important because एक ऐसा होता है ना यार नहीं यार PGI के लिए तो DAMS अच्छा नहीं है, इसके लिए तो वो अच्छा नहीं है. तीनों पैटर्न के लिए DAMS notes are like sufficient. If you are master of that, you can do.
Study material is really concise. It is to the point. I mean, it is made from the standard textbook, so you don't need to worry about the authenticity of it. It is made by faculty. So I read ENT, I read radiology, I read medicine, I read surgery. These are the ones which were the only source that I referred to while doing these subjects.
First of all, DAMS gave the study material. Most useful were the class notes, which the teachers will provide us during the lectures.
And hence we make sure we provide the best faculty and unique teaching methods to our students.
Well, the answer would be known to everybody. It would be Dr. Sumedh Sethi. Apart from his conceptual teaching about radiology, that is of course something to gain from him, but most importantly, the first time I came into contact with Dr. Sumer Sethi was when he came to Pulse.
I can say all the DAMS faculty is very good. It's really awesome. But a special thanks to Dr. Deepti. Actually, I am a follower. Sumer Sethi sir, the god, and Tushar sir, ortho wale, like he's also my guide. And Saurav Jindal sir, Dr. Pradeep sir, anatomy. There's also very important. They're very like prompt in answering and putting the questions. And the ENT faculty was very energetic.
सबसे पहले डॉक्टर सुमेर सेठी
जी,
उन्होंने तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा किया। वो बहुत ही अच्छे टीचर हैं एंड बहुत ही अच्छे गाइड हैं एंड आप कभी भी उनसे क्वेश्चन कीजिए, वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड गायनी डॉक्टर दीप्ति बहल एंड उन्होंने भी बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हमें, जो कि बहुत काम किया है ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि एम्स में अब की बार काफ़ी ऑब्स गायनी के क्वेश्चंस थे
जी,
उनकी हेल्प से सॉल्व हुए हैं। एंड anatomy is very good, anatomy faculty is very good, and obviously ENT.
Actually, I attended a seminar of Sumer sir in my second prof. So that was the first time I had interaction or say idea of that I should start preparing for the PG right now and how I should proceed. So that is the most important.
as the answer will be same. Dr. Sumer Sethi sir, he not only because of his knowledge but also because of his passion, because of his perseverance and new ideas, like he has started a firm, like a part of Make in India campaign, providing employment and having good ideas. So he is like very much enthusiastic, and that gives us very much motivation also, like if he can do it, we can also do it, not to that extent but to our own capabilities. Secondly, all other faculties are also very much helpful, like Dr. Deepti ma'am, she is always available, she is one of the best in gynecology. Then Dr. Deepak Aroda sir, Dr. Tushar Mehta sir, these are one of the best in their field, Dr. Arvind sir. So I think that is one of the best faculty any one center can have achieved.
Sumer Sethi sir, he was the one who told me how to link things. It's not about studying pathology, it's not about studying surgery, it's not about studying radiodiagnosis. All subjects are interlinked. You study surgery, radiodiagnosis, science come to your mind. Pathology slides come to your mind. So if you are studying surgery, everything you can revise in that surgery material only. So I guess I was fortunate enough to be a student of Dr. Sumer Sethi, and he really helped me in understanding this thing, and I would never forget it in rest of my life as well.
Dr. Sumer Sethi, definitely. He called me up like 2-3 months before. He told me that तेरी preparation घर चल रही है. I was like, Dr. Sumer Sethi is calling me to DAMS headquarters and asking that because I didn't know कि मैं कहाँ stand करता हूँ. Apparently some seniors had recommended my name, so he actually took personal care in my preparation, and that happens I think with every student. Dr. Sumer Sethi is very student friendly. I have seen him interact with many people. He considers the students' problem as his problem, and the motto of DAMS, that is student first, really holds true, because whenever I am in doubt I contact Dr. Sumer directly and he is very helpful to me.
सबसे पहले डॉक्टर सुमेर सेठी, उन्होंने तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा किया। वो बहुत ही अच्छे टीचर हैं एंड बहुत ही अच्छे गाइड हैं एंड आप कभी भी उनसे क्वेश्चन कीजिए, वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे।
Dr. Sumer Sethi in radiology were some of the finest teachers.
Harrison Notebook.
The study material, Harrison textbook by DAMS. So I got a chance to read it after completing my Harrison. So what I found was, had I got this Harrison material earlier, I would not have wasted much of my precious time in finding out important things in Harrison. So it really helped.
The Harrison's notebook in particular I found very useful because it's a chunk of the latest edition of Harrison. Obviously you can't read the Harrison in total. in such a short time. So Harrison's notebook is good is a good support to prepare.
Last look, yes, I had a look, and these two are very helpful. Because Harrison you cannot read again and again, and you need to be updated as well, because they the one who are making questions I think are focused on these things updates. So I think it's good to have a look on Harrison's updates and last look. Yes, it is very productive.
Last Look series.
So it is really good. In the past, I think 2 or 3 months they have come up with this last look series
Yes.
and Harrison updates. I couldn't really because I am a kind of a person, I read one thing then I keep stuck on it कि मुझे यही पढ़ना है end तक. So I couldn't actually go and read it, but I have seen the book. It is really good for those people 6, 7 semester, 8, 9 semester professors who just want to brush up Harrison. It is quite good. It is authentic. It is, I think, based on 19th also, so it is an added advantage. Who have read 18th can read the 19th that book only, and that will suffice, I think.
The last looks are also good. They are good to revise in the last moments.
I used to follow the Last Look series, and especially the mixed bag one that had questions of and answers of all the subjects, so you can go through it and you can be rest assured that it was authentic, and that the questions would come from there because it had everything of each subject.
Comprehensive review series.
And I just kept on revising it, so I focused more on revising than studying any new things, and also the new updates were already available on the Facebook on DAMS exclusive club, so I didn't feel a need to get a new book for it. But I did revise the normal study material many times.
The CRS is quite extensive. However, it's like if I do have the class notes, but if the class notes do not suffice, then you have the CRS to as a backup.
Yeah, I would say to juniors that start reading for these books, start reading these notes, and most of all attend the lectures, sit in the class, train your brain. That is all.
I really suggest my juniors that बिना सोचे समझे आंख बंद करके you can, like it is 100%, 101%, more than 100% is guaranteed you'll benefit out of it. And it's like you'll enjoy. I'll really enjoy my year. Like preparation year कहते हैं बहुत गंदा होता है, and I really enjoyed it. It's all because of DAMS team. It's like thanks word is less. It's awesome. It's beyond awesome.
Had I not joined DAMS, I don't think I would be able to get such a good rank because that prediction I talked about, that what is next is what you really learn about in DAMS. And 6th semester I think is a good time. Before that, if you can manage, cut down on your entertainment, then you can join in second year. But 6th semester is the ideal time that you should be actually, just take the plunge.
To juniors, it's like those who are about to pass their second year. I would advise that you should start preparing for your PG entrance from the very third year only, because third year is a time when you have just 3 subjects to study, that is your Opta, ENT and PSM. Opta and ENT are short subjects, you can very well do them in 1 or 2 months. PSM you need to revise it and throughout the year, and you can take up subjects of the final year as well. I personally say that I didn't go for this regime, but had I done this, I would have got a better rank. So it's my advice to the juniors that kindly start preparing from the third year.
Well, my sincere advice will be to just focus on your goal and be consistent. You should study every day and give adequate number of hours, and be consistent with if you're joining a test series, then be consistent with the test. You should not miss on any test, and you should also attend the entire discussion, and then you have to give the adequate number of hours, especially in the last few months. And you should be able to revise the subjects as many times as you can, at least I think 3 or 4 times if you're studying from the beginning of the year. And obviously the last 1 or 2 months are the most crucial time, and you should be able to go through the entire subject in the shortest time possible, maybe in the last 20 days. If you're able to go through the entire course, then you have a really great chance to crack AIMS or PGI.
Thank you.